Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Yeldar Tolesh and today we are located in one of the most luxurious and fastest growing developments in Dubai, which is Emaar Beachfront. Emaar Beachfront offers 26 high-rise buildings with a direct beach access and stunning views towards Dubai Marina, Palm Jumeirah, the sea and Dubai Eye Blue Waters Island. To wrap up, I would like to highlight following points why you should invest in Emaar Beachfront. Great location, direct beach, biggest harbor, high-end finishing, most trusted developer Emaar, most flexible payment plan up to 6 years, and the last but not the least, safe asset with 0% taxes. Thank you very much for your time. If you would like to know more details, please contact us.